Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 chemistry chapter phosphorus, and this is part 4. So in this part we will learn various things, interesting topics. So let's start. In previous part we have learned about many things like flow chart for the manufacture of phosphorus by electrical process, then purification, then physical properties and chemical properties. Now we will start with allotrophic forms of phosphorus. Allotrophic forms of phosphorus. So, sorry for wrong, phosphorus. So, first of all, what is meaning of allotropes? So, allotropes are different structural forms of the same element in the same physical state. Now, phosphorus also exhibits allotropy like carbon and sulfur. The various allotrophic forms of phosphorus are white phosphorus, yellow phosphorus, red phosphorus, scarlet phosphorus, black phosphorus and violet phosphorus. These forms differ only in physical properties, but chemical properties remain the same. We shall learn about the white and red phosphorus. Then structure of white and red phosphorus. Structure of white and red. Phosphorus is a tetraatomic. In white phosphorus, the 4 atoms of phosphorus are enlarged. Then like this it is. Red phosphorus contains change of P4 molecules. Like this, shown. The last one. So these are the structures of it. After that, Physical properties of white and red phosphorus. Physical properties. So first property state white phosphorus in that pale yellow soft solid, and red phosphorus it is dark brittle powder. Property is second property is odor. In white phosphorus it is garlic smell, and in red phosphorus it is odorless. Third property is density. White phosphorus is 1.82 gram per centimeter cube. Red phosphorus is 2.35 gram per centimeter cube. Fourth property is boiling point. White phosphorus it is 280 degrees Celsius. Red phosphorus it is 417 degrees Celsius. Property 5 is in air. White phosphorus it burns to emit light. Red phosphorus is non-poisonous. Sixth property is psychological. White phosphorus is poisonous and red phosphorus is non-poisonous. And the last one is atomicity. White phosphorus is 4 atoms in one molecule, and red phosphorus exists as chain of 4 P4 molecules. After that, there are some uses of phosphorus. We will learn uses of phosphorus in part 5. The whole topic that we will learn is in part 5, that is uses of phosphorus, then principle of lightening a matchstick, then we will learn compounds of phosphorus. First is phosphorus pentoxide, second is phosphoric acid, then preparation, and then properties of phosphoric acid, etc. We will learn this whole topic in part 5. I hope you have understood till this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 5 with more interesting topic. Thank you for watching.